How do you pay for a Maryland medical malpractice attorney if you don't have that much disposable income? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth, injury, and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about some really important information. And this deals with how do you go about hiring a medical malpractice attorney. Now, the information that I'm giving you today, this is just information in general, and that you should make sure that you speak to the specific attorney that you are thinking about hiring. Make sure you talk to them beforehand about some of this information. But in general, I want to try to give you a basic foundation of how many attorneys in the state of Maryland handle these types of cases. Now, I know that I said medical malpractice, but in the area of injury, even personal injury attorneys, some of this is still going to hold true for even personal injury cases, such as car crash cases or slip and fall cases. So some of this is going to be just general information that you can use in many of these personal injury types of cases. Okay, so how do you hire an attorney if you don't have much disposable income and you've got an injury going on? Well, many attorneys in the state of Maryland use what we call a contingency fee agreement. And what this agreement is it is an agreement between you and the attorney or the law firm. And what you agree to is you agree to allow the attorney to take a percentage of either the recovery, if it's a settlement, or a jury verdict. So you let the attorney take a percentage of the recovery as their legal fee. In addition, you also may agree with the attorney that the attorney is also able to recover any costs that they have put into the case. So for example, deposition fees, expert fees, things like that, filing fees. The attorney is able to get these costs back at the end. Now you want to make sure that before you before you sign off on your contingency fee agreement, that you understand the terms in the agreement. Remember, this is a contract. And so you want to make sure that before you sign on that dotted line, that you understand the terms. A contingency fee agreement is very beneficial to individuals because a lot of times, many people do not have the money to push these cases through. Medical malpractice cases can cost a couple of $1,000s up into hundreds of thousands of dollars to do these cases. So a lot of times individuals do not have that type of cash to put up. So that's why they enter into the contingency fee agreement, because that agreement allows them to be able to pursue their case. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about some really important information? Because more than likely, if you are watching this video, you've got that question. You're thinking about hiring an attorney because maybe you have suffered an injury at either a hospital or while you're in the care of a doctor, or maybe your baby has suffered an injury at birth and you've got questions about everything, but you don't know how you would pay for it. You've got these types of things going on and you would like to speak with me further about the challenges that your baby is going to face into the future, or the challenges that you may face because of your medical injury. This is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. In addition to that, if you've got a birth injury, you can reach me toll free at 1-833-4BABY-HELP. If you want to shoot me an email, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. Remember, you can always visit our website at bostonlawllc.com, and you can look around there. We've got a whole host of information for you there. Be sure, though, before you leave, that you take a free e-download of the birth injury book that we have there. And we also have a medical malpractice book there that you can also download. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth, injury, and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I'll see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.